Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair Shop. You, Hermosa, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their 13x4 26-inch natural black body wave wig. It is 220% density. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and see, can I get the details and specs? Okay, so on their site it says Skin Melt HD Lace Wig Body Wave 13x4 Lace Front Wig Human Hair Real Transparent Lace. This unit is available in 10 to 30 inches. You can also, all of those being even numbers. You can also get it in a 13x4, a 4x4, or a 5x5. And the density ranges from 150, 180 to 220% density. So it says it's a body wave wig, 13x4. It's natural black and it can be dyed. It is medium cap size. It says if you need a large or small, please leave notes on like when you buy the unit, leave a note saying that you need a large or a small. So they do have those available. It says the features of this unit is pre-plucked natural hairline, HD lace melt. So those are all the details and specs that they have on this unit. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not noticed any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say at some point it won't do any of the things. It's just saying right now it's doing none of the things. Okay, girl? So yeah. As far as it being big head friendly, I would recommend you get your size. I am an average cap size, and I did still have to cut off some lace, but that is usually just because my ears are so big. But their units really fit really nice. Okay, so I would just say get your size. If you feel like you have a really large head, definitely get that. If your head is on the smaller side, definitely get a smaller unit. So that's what I would say as far as cap sizes and all of that goes. As far as this unit being pre-tweezed, honey, honestly, I did not touch this unit as far as tweezing. I did bleach the knots, but as far as tweezing, girl, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
Honey, I did not touch her, okay, girl? She woke up like this. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. The unit did come with layers. I did decide to cut it some more, and it is a lot of hair, as you guys can see. So, yeah, that's officially it. Okay, girl, if you're interested in the pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so my con is going to be that this unit is a 13x4. You know that is a standard con for me. I did do a C part or crescent part or whatever you want to consider this sort of part. I did that, and to me, that just makes wearing the 13x4s a lot easier. Why do I feel like Lynn on Girlfriends? Maybe it's in my head, y'all. Maybe it's the white with the black hair. I don't know. But yeah. So anyways, yeah, I did the crescent part. I did the C part, and you know it makes 13x4s more wearable. But I still like that's always gonna be a con. It's a standard con for me. So yeah, that's my con. Okay, so my pros is gonna be, honey, this density. This hair is thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. And it still sort of has a lightweightness to it. So despite it being long and really full, it is still super lightweight. So that's a pro, as well as this hairline, because you guys know your girl is lazy. So those are my pros. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I would recommend basically any unit from this company. So far, they always come through with the come-through, and the application is just really easy for me. All I have to do, once I cut that lace off, all I gotta do is lay old girl down. It's not a lot of extra work, so I love that. And yeah, so I would personally recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and this length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it's a look, if it's a vibe. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. Not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style.